American classic Reuben sandwich. Ingredients: 8 slices of rye bread, 1 pound cooked corned beef, sliced, 8 ounces sauerkraut, 4 slices Swiss cheese, roughly 1 ounce, 1/4 c Russian dressing. Instructions: preheat your oven's broiler to low, and move your oven rack to the highest position. Place 4 slices of bread on an aluminum foil-lined baking sheet. Distribute corned beef slices evenly among the 4 slices of bread. Place in the oven and broil 3–4 minutes, until meat is warm. Remove from oven and top each sandwich with sauerkraut and a slice of Swiss cheese. Return to oven and broil 2–3 minutes, until the cheese is melted. Remove from oven. Spread one side of the remaining slices of bread with a tablespoon of Russian dressing. Top each sandwich with a slice of bread, dressing side down. Return to the oven and broil for 1–2 minutes, until the top bread is toasted. Serve warm with additional sauce for dipping.